Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Idris Abdulhamid, an aspiring PhD student in the Monet Lab. I chose your institution because I got a referral from one of your first year students, Abdulkarim Abdurrahim, an alumnus of Lauduk University of Technology in Nigeria. At the same time, I read through the profile of the institution and noticed you have high ranking professors. At the same time, you have funding opportunities available to international students. And likewise, you also have the situation of the school in the hub of the country that has an aesthetic environment and international students of different talents. At the same time, the reason why I want to study computer science and engineering is because it's an extension to my current program. I had began with computer engineering, then had computer science and MSc, so it's just a continuation of my career at the same time my academic interest. So I also believe by having this, I'll be able to compete favorably with students from MIT, Stanford, Yale, and so on and so forth. So these are the reasons I want to have a world class solutions to some of these problems in particular is healthcare and networking. So my other reason is because I have an interest in it, talent, and so on and so forth. So then I want to tell you about topic I'll be working on, which is artificial intelligence in self-free network. Self-free network has to do with a lot of issues. It has to do with security, it has to do with predictability, and so on and so forth. So this artificial intelligence is going to help us to determine the efficiency of this self-free network and the future internet. So, and as I've read profile from Professor Kim of the Monet Lab, whom I'll be working with, I noticed is a really scholar in this regard. So I'll be using it to predict it, using the AI technique to predict it, and to set up and have a feature 6G network. And lastly, my proposed programming language or interest in programming language is MATLAB. Even though I've worked with different ones, but MATLAB is still the most scalable language that I'm useful to or have been useful to or have been using for years because it actually makes it simple. It uses a matrix format. At the same time, it makes it simple and it has a lot of tools like the Simulink simulation network that I can use to create different models and for different purposes like healthcare problem and networking problem. So currently, I'll be working with a MATLAB and it has a lot of advantages because it makes it simple to work with and makes it easily available. So those are the reasons why I want to work with it. Thank you.